validation's glow. But the doing itself, where the covert malignant narcissist pleasures flow. Each move, each act, a self-adoring display. The performance of control is the covert malignant narcissist chosen way. The act defines supply, their essence, their pride, a self-indulging flame where no outcomes reside. The covert malignant narcissist secret delight. In the shadows they revel, their self-fed light. Result required, no applause to demand. The act of being a covert narcissist is their homeland. Not the victim's despair, nor the spoils of the game, but the nature of the beast sets their soul aflame. Self-amusement's core, the essence on show, not in harm, but in manipulation's flow. Exploitation suffices, no ends to meet. Control is self-love, their power completes. The act defines supply, their essence, their pride, a self-indulging flame where no outcomes reside. The covert malignant narcissist secret delight. In the shadows they revel, their self-fed light. The covert narcissist's own flame burns bright, fueling their control, their guiding light. From depths where ego reigns and control is supreme, their essence thrives in the covert narcissist dream. No reaction required, no trophy in hand. The process itself is the promised land.